very many people, except for Happy Planner people, I know Happy Planner people are going to love this. But I am like literally standing near an airport strip. Let's see, airport strip in a parking lot of the post office. And I just got my box. So Michael's was having a sale, and I'm actually going to go sit and put it all together in a coffee shop. So I got the hole punch because I have a lot of pages. My life is so different. Like all of our lives are vastly different, which is why I love the Happy Planner planning calendars, because our lives are so different that we can tailor it specifically to our individual life. So I got the hole punch because there are some things, and I will share everything I make for this planner, because there are some papers and pages that I really need to tailor my planner for me. I live on a homestead. I shop twice a year for about 70% of everything that we purchase, and this is definitely going to be used. I found that these were $5 for 60 pages, the notes. That's got to be disturbing, you guys. Let's get them all out of the way. So I found these 60 sheets for like $4 or $5 on Michael's, and they were actually cheaper. They came with the dividers that I can add things to. I can put... Did that scare you guys too? See the seagulls on top of the office? Ha! That scared me. I live on the coast. So it was cheaper for me to buy blank pages with the notebook in them, and they had the dividers in them already, and they had these dividers. So you better believe I got 2 of them. Also got the little discs, so I can do a lot with those. I'm going to tear them all apart, and I'll end up showing you, because I find sharing the information and the ideas and the ways we do things is just so helpful for me that I'll share with what I do. And then I got, because I love stickers. I don't know why I chose student, but I got stickers. Probably because, I don't know. But I'm sure I have somebody that if I don't use them, oh, come on, I'm going to use stickers. And then, because Michael's was having a really good sale, there were only a couple calendars left. And if you look down here, I wanted to try the vertical. I have a horizontal planner, and I wanted to try the vertical. I'm totally going to Franken-plan this thing out. I really didn't care what the colors or the flap was. I just wanted the planner pages that were inside of it, and it was literally like $16 after the discount, or maybe $15 after the discount, and it comes with some other things. So that is what we got. Now I'm going to start tearing it apart, putting it together, and then I will show you after. Good morning, everybody. It's been several days since the shipment came in, and here is what has happened. When I was checking it in the back of the car, I kind of wondered why I got the student book, and when I went back through my invoice, I realized I did not order this. I ordered the Essentials pack of stickers. So when I contacted Michael's, they said that they would go ahead and send me out the one that I ordered. This one is nice if I was a student. It has the Hey There Winter baked cookies. I mean, the Christmas things. It's still totally usable for people, but it's not the one that I needed to keep me organized for my work stuff. So I'll just go through it really quick. It's nice, but I like the blank spaces but you'll see my actual colors that I like. I love fall. I like the colors, but I do like these bikes. I just picked up a rubber stamp from Tuesday Morning that had those bikes in it. Interesting. I don't do homework, but I guess I do have a friend. They told me I could keep it or give it to somebody, and I do have a sweet friend that is in school right now, and I definitely will be dividing this up because she might want some of these. Anyway, some of them repeat, I noticed. I love the flowers. Definitely, I have a girlfriend that has a camper. Anyways, this is the sticker pack that they sent. Not the right one, but they're fixing it. So I have absolutely no problems. Would I have liked it to come at the right time so that I could have gotten everything organized? Yeah, sure. But you know what? Life isn't perfect, and I need to understand that people make mistakes. So no, absolutely no anger, upsetness, nothing, right? Because that's just an issue. And they're fixing it, so I can wait. Besides, if you don't know by now, I live an hour and 20 minutes, an hour and 15 minutes away from any store where I could buy anything from that has any of these planners. 40 minutes from a Joann's, 35 minutes from a Joann's. But it's a small Joann's. It's kind of like here, we need some kind of a craft store within a 2-hour radius. So, excuse me. So anyways, I bought 2 of these. And the reason I bought 2 of these is because I was looking at, and I'm just going to remove all of these. I was looking at filler paper, and filler paper is actually expensive. So for $5, I can get a pack of, I think, 40 and filler paper. You guys that do this is just, shoo. There we go. I can get a pack of 40 filler sheets for like $5. And it's just the filler sheet. So my thinking is not only do I get the 60 filler sheets, and all I need is sheets to make notes on. I can dress this up with stickers or whatever. But I also get 3, 1, 2, and 3 dividers. So I have 3 dividers that I can write what I want on, and I have 2 hard covers, so if I want to Frankenplan my my planner, I can, which is what we're going to do today. So I have that one, and let's get this one. I think I already took that out. Burn restrictions are almost lifted, so I'm almost at the point where I can burn my paper trash. So I have those set aside, and then I bought, because you can really go crazy financially with the Happy Planner, and for my basic planner every year, yeah, I want to get one that's really cute, that I like, whatever, but I'm dressing it up with stickers, and I want to customize it for me, which is why I bought the hole punch. And then I also bought, it was on sale, it's the student version of the planner. Now, mind you, it was only 16 bucks, and what I was really upset with is I found out that after I placed the order here, I bought the only one that was available back online at michaels.com. Then I went over and I noticed in my Instagram feed that they were having a 30% off sale on the actual website for the Happy Planner. So I immediately sent my girlfriend that wanted a Happy Planner, Wendy, I sent her the link, and I said, hey, they're 30% off. They're actually $1 cheaper than what I just spent. I think they ended up being the same exact price or $1 cheaper. So this one came. Totally going to try it because I've been doing the horizontal, and this one is going to be the vertical. And it comes with, let's open it up and see what it comes with, because I just want to dig in and I want to recreate. So it comes with this divider. Like, I don't have this in my first planner that I got. So yes, I'm going to be using that one. And it comes with the planner. I had to show my husband, so we were taking it all apart. Do I like this color, this cover? No, not necessarily my color. I'm not the type of colory person, this is my planner cover. This is the one I love. So that's what we're going to be adding all of this paper to. So why did I buy a student planner that I didn't necessarily like the colors to? Because I'm going to be taking the insides and using them. So this is the planner, and then what else did it come with? I don't have trash service where I live, so when I look at this stuff, I'm thinking, Jiminy Christmas, all this plastic I'm gonna have to pay to haul to the dump. Okay, so these are cute. And then I can use these, and there's enough of them to see if I can incorporate them into my world and the to-do lists. And they're wide enough for a left-handed person to actually be able to write on. And let's see, oh, my washi tape addiction is real, let's just say. So we have 2 washi tapes. Let's see if we can see them. I love washi tape, and this is just so thin enough. And then here's the other one. Love washi tape. And it's something that, you know you're going to be addicted to something, so you just try to avoid it. And it caught me the other day. So we're done with all of that. So it came with a few stickers, and I knew they would be student themed. Which again, I have students in my world. Have courage and be kind. I like that. And then this one.